Hi guys, so I'm done work today. Next shift is tomorrow morning. The internet finally worked. And now I'm chilling. I am eating mangoes. Actually, just one mango. It's a mango. And then I have water. I'm chilling here and watching Big Bang Theory with my outside view in the balcony. So today was a very long day. Oh, not so long, but I went out. I didn't have much plans today, but I went out today. I bought food and lunch from the Carindia downstairs. I wanted to ask as well about the pool, the gym. I did ask for those information, and also there's one more thing that I did. Oh, I found the laundry shop. Very close. It was 160. You can come pick it up, or you can do it by yourself. Pay like 60 pesos or something. And yes, so I cooked today as well. I cooked hot dogs and eggs. I prepared my breakfast for tomorrow already because I will be waking up early. I will eat bread for breakfast and maybe hot chocolate. But for lunch, I am thawing my tuna. So I'm gonna eat cabbage with tuna and a little bit of rice. And I hope it's gonna be good. So I have nothing else to eat here. I didn't really grocery so much because I cannot carry a lot of bags in one go. So I'll do grocery sometime. Tomorrow is gonna be a busy day, but I will be working because my internet is good now. That's good. So now I'm just chilling, and maybe later I'll just fix my schedule and put it in a nicer format so I don't get confused with the time zones. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go back to me chilling and watching Big Bang Theory. Good night, advance.
Hey, buddy. Sorry, I'm late. I'm working on a project that might take me up on the next space shuttle.
Hi. Good morning. Ito na yata. Dala morning pa. So, I finished my 2-hour work already. Nag-meeting na bisa akong boss and all is good at work. So, right now, I'm making my breakfast / brunch. And I'm heating up repolyo. Then I'm slicing some cucumbers. And then I have some meat here. This is egg and hot dog. You can see that. Hi, I'm eating my dinner. I cooked fish and also egg. This is my dinner. Look at that. That's my view. That one. I can see the sea. Oh, thank you. The sea over here. Bon appetit. Let's continue eating. I think I'm gonna finish the entire Sheldon series, Big Bang Theory. Hi guys, it's August 7, 9:30 p.m. I am eating mangoes. I'm actually gonna watch Big Bang Theory. Ako ang karon today, dapat diba mag-atong ako sa tutorial today, but hindi siya madayon because I changed my mind. There was lagan kayong tao nag-ingon nga, magkita na lang mo sa mara na lang, ay di mo katod good, and alo ko balong sa pag-compute jeep mahal kayo kung magtaka siguro. So wala ko na dayon na nagpuma na lang kumuad to, magkita na lang miss akuan sa Gaisano Mall, and then mag-lunch na lang may balong nila si Wiwi o si may auntie, ito na lang may makita. And yeah, today wala kayo gibuhat na natulog ko hapon. Feel na ko na sobrang akong tulog kaya maglipong naman ko pag matalang. And then nag-vacuum ko, nahugas ko plato, nagluto ko hotdog, man ako dinner, and then I did 2 hours work, 2 hours 30 minutes work. And now I'm eating mangoes. Magkuhan ko, magtulog na ko after kay 3 a.m. akong duty niya. So mangilamos lang ko after this, mag-brush, matulog na ko. I'm just gonna finish my mangoes and then I'm gonna continue watching Big Bang Theory. So good night, that's it for today, August 7th 2023, 9 alas 10 siguro PM. Oh yeah, see ya.